Hey friends, welcome back to the studio. So you know that moment in a normal Serverpod workflow where your database is just a mess, where you have leftover test data, half applied migrations, tables that don't match your models anymore, and you just want us to start clean. In that form, it's one button. Let me show you how. So from the overview tab in the quick actions panel, you'll see a button called Reset Database. Before you click it, here's what it actually does. It drops your entire database, recreates it from scratch, and applies all your migrations so the schema matches your current models. It does not delete your model files or your endpoint files, or anything in your project. It just touches the data in the database. Now let's click it. That form asks you to confirm fast, and this is very important because this is a destructive action. Everything in your database tables gets wiped. You can watch it happening in real time, dropping the old database, recreating it, applying migrations, and it's done. Clean database, schema matches your models, and server is running. Jump to the data browser and there are your tables empty and ready. The whole thing from click to clean database took about 10 seconds, right? So reset database is one of those features you'll use more than you expect, especially early in a project where your schema is changing fast and you want a clean slate quickly. If you haven't tried Dartform yet, the link is in the description below. And if this was helpful, subscribe for more.